Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is Wednesday. Today is Wednesday. I'm not sure what day it is, to be honest. 19th, I don't know. 21st maybe? I have no idea. Anyway, I went to Dollar Tree today and I've got some really neat stuff that I want to show you guys. It's kind of some different stuff that I haven't really seen before, so I picked it up. I did film in the store, so it's going to be kind of a shop with me plus a haul video. So I'm going to do the store footage first and then stay tuned till the end and I will show you what I bought today. So this is what my Dollar Tree looks like. Okay, so Dollar Tree was actually pretty decent today. I guess they just got a truck in because there were a ton of boxes everywhere, a bunch of stuff in boxes. So I'm going to try and check back there towards the end of the week to see if they got any more new stuff in. But they did have some new stuff today that I hadn't seen there before. So I'm going to show you guys what I picked up today at Dollar Tree. The first thing I picked up was a pack of toothbrushes. I got these really cute Hello Kitty toothbrushes. I've actually bought these before. They work really well. They're soft toothbrushes, which is what I prefer, just my preference. But it came 3 in a pack for $1. There's a pink one, a blue one, and a yellow one. I like to change out my toothbrushes every few weeks just because they get kind of gross. And I'm just weird like that. So these are my toothbrushes that I picked up today. Hello Kitty. I also picked up to go with them this Colgate Optic White toothpaste. I've seen this at Target before, and this costs $5 to $6 at Target. So I'd rather not spend that much money on toothpaste if I don't have to. I used to be like an extreme couponer, and I would try to get toothpaste for free whenever I could. So $1 is kind of as good as I'm going to get without any coupons. If you do have coupons and can get free toothpaste, I encourage you to do that. But so I thought this was a really good find for $1 at the Dollar Tree for name brand toothpaste. Which, if you don't know, if you've never been to Dollar Tree, they actually have a ton of name brand toothpaste at Dollar Tree. So I recommend checking there first if you need toothpaste. These are something that I have been looking for a while because I've seen other people hauling them. And you saw them in the shopping footage. These little planner stickers. They're called puffy stickers. But I think these are so cute. It has the elephant, the pineapple, this way, pineapple. It's got the little words. One says wild, free. I guess you're supposed to use the little and, put it wild and free. And it's got a diamond and a lightning bolt, and it says crush it. This one says hello. I think these are super adorable and super cheap for planner stickers. I don't know if they're meant to be planner stickers, but I have the Happy Planner, and that's what I'm going to use them for. I really like this elephant. I think that's really cute. And then pineapples are kind of my favorite thing ever. So these are really cute. They also had some matching notepads and stuff, as you saw. I'll probably go back and pick up some more of these before they sell out of them. But I just bought one for the day, but I think these are really cute, and I hope Dollar Tree continues to get in planner stuff. Something that I haven't seen before, but they had them 2 for $1, so they were 50 cents each. And so I picked up a few of these. It says Buy Sparkling Antioxidant Infusion. They're 5 calories per can, 0 sugar, 0 added sugar, 0 protein. It has 10 milligrams of sodium. It's 5 calories per can. I really like the sparkling drinks, and it says this actually has caffeine in it. It says nature's caffeine, and then it says antioxidants, 18 milligrams vitamin C, coffee fruit extract, and white tea extract. So this actually has 45 milligrams per can. It says like a cup of green tea. So there is a little bit of caffeine in this one in particular. I'll check the rest of them. But this one is called Kahala Cola. I guess it's like a cola flavored one. But it has a red top. That's the cola flavored one. The next one looks like this. It is called Columbia Cream. I'm not sure if this is supposed to be like a coffee or what it's supposed to be like. So I will definitely do a follow-up on these. But at first I thought it was like a cream soda, but it says Columbia Cream like it would be like a coffee. So I'm not really sure. Also 5 grams, 5 calories, 45 milligrams of caffeine. It also says these are kosher, non-GMO, vegan, low glycemic, gluten-free, and soy-free. So it has caffeine in it, which I didn't notice to begin with, but that's pretty exciting because I like my caffeine. Anyway, that one's called Columbia Cream. You see? This is the next one. It's called Rioja Root Beer. Also 5 calories, also caffeinated, which is cool because usually root beer is not caffeinated. If you didn't know that, root beer usually does not have any caffeine in it. And I don't know about you guys, but if I drink something and it doesn't have caffeine in it, besides water, I get a really bad headache. Like if I drink Sprite or root beer or like orange soda and it doesn't have caffeine in it, it's like my brain is expecting it to have caffeine and then it doesn't, then I get a really bad headache. So I'm kind of excited that these do have caffeine in them. But that is the Rioja Root Beer. And then the last one I picked up is Jambi Ginger Ale, which this is the only ginger ale one that I saw, but this one has a green cap for the ginger ale. This also has caffeine in it, which ginger ale usually does not have caffeine in it. So if you're trying to cut down on caffeine, I'm just going to point that out. All of these have caffeine in them. So I'm pretty excited to try these actually. So I'll let you guys know how they are. Yeah, also has caffeine. They all say the same thing. So they're all 5 calories. They all have like vegan, gluten-free, soy-free, all that. So yeah, I'm pretty excited about these. The next thing I picked up is a little strange, and I'm not really sure what it does, but I'm such a little kid and I wanted to kind of play with it. But it's called, it says LED glow art. So I'm assuming it's like, it reminds me of a light bright. I don't know if they still make those. But when I was a little kid, I had a light bright. It's like this box with a light in it. And then you would put this piece of paper over it, and it had like it had a drawing on it basically. And you would stick the little pegs into the drawing, and it would make a picture with a light behind it. So that's what this looks like. I'm just going to show you guys. These are the little pegs. See the little pegs? And then this is what that looks like. And it takes 3 AAA batteries. So let me grab some batteries. Hold on one second. Okay, so I picked up the batteries. Takes 3 AAA batteries. I also picked these up at Dollar Tree a while back. In my hurricane emergency video, if you haven't seen that one, you should go watch that one because it talks about emergency supplies that you can get from Dollar Tree. Anyway, so we're going to try and get this open. Okay, so PSA, you will need something to pry this open. Okay, so I got it open with a pencil. Oh, you will need a screwdriver. It does have a screw in the back of it. So, I'm going to put the batteries in it. Okay, so I have the batteries in it now. And I'm going to put the back on it. And we're going to see what it does. Okay, so I don't know if you can see this. Hold on. You see the light in it? That's the light in it, guys. So, that's the light in it. Turning my lights back on. Let me try putting some pegs in it and see what it does. Okay, so you take the pegs, you just kind of push them in there. Oh, okay, it shows up much better with the pegs in it. Yeah, much better with the pegs in it. That's actually pretty neat. It is exactly like a light bright. It doesn't have the paper with it, but you can like make different designs and stuff on it, which is pretty cool. So yeah, that would be really fun if you have kids, or if you're a kid like me, you know. LED glow kit. This is what it looks like. Glow art. It's a light bright. It's a little tiny light bright. That is too cute. All right, moving on. They had some really, really cute home decor stuff. And I'm going to go back and get some more as it gets closer to Easter. But I picked this up because I thought it was just absolutely precious for $1. Like, look at that. How cute is that? It's got a little twine hanger on it. And it says welcome, and it's glittered, and it's got the little bunnies on it. It's got a blue one, and a yellow one, and a pink one, and a green one. And then it's got these little pom-poms on it for their little tails. It's 3D. How cute would this be on a door, on your door as a door hanger? Like, how precious is that? I just love that. But they had all kinds of stuff like this, like the wood signs, and they're all $1. Like, this is, it's distressed looking, it's rustic looking. It's not really, like, it looks like it would be textured, but it's not. The only part that's textured is the glitter. But how cute is that for Easter? I'm going to put this on the door, and that'll be really adorable as a door hanger. And they had all different kinds, as you saw in my little shopping footage. But yeah, I picked this up. Super happy. I love this. Really, really cute. I picked up one other thing. It's not from Dollar Tree, but I'll still show you guys. This is the absolute best dry shampoo I've ever used. It is the Suave brand. It's in the yellow can, and I have tried all kinds of dry shampoos and expensive ones. I get Birchbox every month, and often they'll send a dry shampoo, and the dry shampoos they usually send often range between like $25 and $30 for the full size. And I've used them, and I'm not completely happy with them. I love, love, love this one, and it is under $3 at Walmart. So again, keep in mind, I have blonde hair, so I'm not really sure how this will work on completely dark hair. I do use it like when my roots are growing out, like right now. And, you know, because some dry shampoos will turn your hair gray. I have not experienced that myself. But yeah, I do love this dry shampoo. It's under $3. If you need a dry shampoo, I highly recommend that you pick it up. But that is my haul for today. I hope you guys enjoyed that. I'm definitely going to hit up Dollar Tree some more for some more Easter stuff, so stay tuned for that. If you like these videos, give me a thumbs up. And if you're new, I do hope that you'll subscribe. I do Dollar Tree hauls, all kinds of hauls. I do, you know, shopping, saving, groceries, all kinds of stuff on my channel. I try to post videos almost every day. Sorry they've been kind of scattered lately. I had a baby shower, which I posted a video about, and my birthday was last week. So trying to get back on schedule. So thank you guys for hanging in there. I just passed 1,000 subscribers. So thank you so much for hanging out with me, and I appreciate you guys, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks so much. Bye.